However, kung gagamit kayo nito, make sure na gamitin nyo lang siya at least once every 2 months or kung talagang marami talagang ano nyo, once a month at least. Hey guys, Moisan here and welcome back again to my channel. So guys, kung bago lang kayo sa channel ko, my name is Moe and I do contents about basic nursing in skincare and hair care. Okay guys, so for today's video, pag-uusapan natin kung paano lumiit ang pores dito sa may ilong at sa may, alam mo na, buong mukha, okay? Papakita ko sa inyo yung ibang tips and products na pwede nyong gawin sa araw-araw, okay? So guys, without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay guys, so para lumiit yung pores natin sa ilong at sa ating mukha, okay, gagamitan natin yan ng good cleansers, okay, gentle cleansers, I should say, okay? Itong cleansers na to guys, they do have salicylic acid ingredients, okay? Meron pa akong isang ginamit na Neutrogena oil-free salicylic acid face wash. So that one is also very good. Nakatatlong bottles din ako noon. I love that. It really helps to regulate sebum production. It does help with minimizing pore size kasi napiprevent yung build-up ng whiteheads and blackheads, okay? So same thing also dito sa dalawang products na to. However, medyo may pinagkaiba sila, okay? This one has salicylic acid, meron siyang glycolic acid, and polyhydroxy acids, which I should say much stronger compared dito sa Cerave, which is dito sa Cerave, meron lang tayong SA Cleanser plus moisturizing ingredients na kagaya ng ceramides and hyaluronic acid, okay? So kung medyo sensitive yung skin mo, you can use this one. Okay din siya na gamitin sa umaga. However, this one ginagamit ko lang talaga siya sa gabi kasi medyo hindi naman siya drying pero I can feel na may potential siya na madry yung skin mo kasi nga yung acid ingredients na is much stronger. However, kung meron kang acne, so yung bago pa lang nagsisimula, I would say go with this one kasi talagang matatarget niya yung acne mo faster compared dito sa Cerave. Pero kung wala ka ng acne, nagamot na yung acne mo, this is your, I would say, yung parang maintenance mo na lang, okay? Very effective din. Let's go back to this Stubborn Texture by Neutrogena. Ito ginagamit ko to every night kasi sa gabi, syempre, walang araw, okay? And we know na ang glycolic acid, salicylic acid, those acids can make our skin sensitive to the sun, okay? At ayaw nating magkaroon ng pekas, ayaw nating magkaroon ng dark spots, okay? Or uneven skin tone. That's why kung gagamit ka, not only this one, kung gagamit ka ng mga products na may salicylic acid, glycolic acid, kojic acids, it is a must na mag-sunscreen ka at least SPF 30 and above para maiwasan yung pagkakaroon ng uneven skin tone, dark spots, and of course, like skin conditions, skin cancer, yung mga ganon, di ba? Again, this is only at night time. This one sa umaga, okay? This is perfect kung malamig yung panahon kasi especially dito sa Canada, di ba? Medyo drying yung winter namin. So, ginagamit ko na to. Nag-shift na ako dito kasi very moisturizing siya sa skin and it helps to smoothen and exfoliate the skin. So, guys, napaka-importante yun na gumamit tayo ng cleansers na merong medicinal ingredients, okay? Like clinically proven ingredients to prevent blackheads and whiteheads and ingredients na makakatulong mag-regulate ng oil or sebum production, okay? Kasi a lot of times, kapag pinabayaan natin yung skin natin na, of course, we don't do skincare, nagkakaroon ng whiteheads, blackheads. Eh, ang whiteheads, guys, oil yun eh. Ang nangyayari, kapag nakahanginan siya, na-oxidize siya, nagiging blackhead siya, okay? We want to prevent that, okay? Hindi naman siya totally matatanggal, but at least we can minimize it. So, going back dun sa minimizing the pores or reducing the pore size, there's no such thing as totally getting rid of it, okay? Hindi mo siya talaga matatanggal dahil napaka-importante ng pores natin para mag-regulate ng temperature at para mag-regulate ng natural oil, okay? So, let's say for example, dry yung skin mo, okay? So, syempre, madidetect yan ng katawan mo and your skin will produce extra oil para hindi siya irritating at para mag-moisturize yung skin natin, okay? So, our skin is very smart. Alagaan lang natin yung pores natin, give it a good cleanser. We don't want overproduction of oil kasi when we have so much oil, we are risk also for having like accumulation ng bacteria, maaari tayong magka-acne. So, yung tama lang, di ba? After ng cleansers, guys, is we move on to nose strips, okay? So, guys, nose strips, ang problema kasi sa nose strips is pag ginamit mo siya, kakaroon ng irritation yung skin natin and we tend to get rid of the outer layer ng skin which is not good, okay? So, effective ang nose strips. However, kung gagamit kayo nito, make sure na gamitin nyo lang siya at least once every 2 months or kung talagang marami talagang ano nyo, once a month at least, okay? Huwag nyo siyang gagamitin araw-araw or weekly kasi masisira talaga yung balat nyo. Very effective naman talaga siya to get rid of some whiteheads, some blackheads, tsaka yung mga ang tawag doon, yung parang filament, yung maliliit na parang buhok na maliliit. Anyways, so that helps too. I'm not saying na huwag nyo talaga siyang totally gamitin. It helps, okay? But try to minimize yung usage nito, okay? Not every week, okay? Not every day, okay? So, meron akong dalawang klase ng nose strips dito na gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo, pero hindi ko pa siya nagagamit, guys. Kasi nga, I'm okay with the Salicylic acid cleansers. Nag-work naman talaga sa akin yun to prevent blackheads and whiteheads. So, guys, ito yung dalawang nose strips na meron ako. Ito matagal na to, guys. Ginawan ko pa to ng video, I think like 3 years ago. Hanggang ngayon, buhay pa rin siya. This is a Korean nose strip from the Face Shop. I don't know kung pwede pa itong gamitin. I think expired na to. But anyways, this one is, I would say, it's weak. Wala siya nakukuha. So anyways, tatapon ko na rin siya. This one, Softymo. It's a Japanese nose strip. I kind of like this one. This is from my Japanese friend. So kasama to dun sa whitening sheet mask na binigay niya sa akin. So this is a freebie, I should say. So this one is pretty good. Kulay black siya. With nose strips, guys, kung gusto niyo siyang gamitin, it is effective kung gagamitin mo siya after a hot shower. Tapos medyo basain mo lang siya and then i-strip mo siya na ganun. I-stay mo siya sa ilong mo like 10-15 minutes tapos i-strip mo na siya, okay? But guys, going back to hot showers, kung mag-hot shower kayo, try to limit it for like 10-12 minutes, okay? Kasi ang hot shower hindi rin maganda sa skin. It can make our skin irritated, okay? It can make our pores larger. However, with hot showers, nakakatulong siya na medyo lumaki yung pores para pag gumamit tayo ng nose strips, mas madaling mahigop yung mga nandun sa loob, diba? So, just limit it. Wag yung sobra namang init na maluluto ka, diba? Nose strips, yeah, kind of recommended. Maybe once a month or once every 2 months. Okay, guys? Next, we are gonna move on to a toner na may declogging ingredient, which is this one over here. So, this one is my ingredient, glycolic acid. Magandang glycolic acid, guys, kasi it goes deep into the pores and it prevents the accumulation ng whiteheads, blackheads, and of course, excess oil, diba? Maganda din siya kung meron kang post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation o yung dark spots because of acne, o yung kakagaling lang ng acne mo. So, very effective naman siya. So, with this one, I only use it once a week. I don't use it every night just to help regulate cellular proliferation. Kasi di ba ang skin natin nagpapalit every 28 days. So, we kind of have to support that kasi as we age, medyo bumabagal na yung cellular repair, cellular proliferation. So, having glycolic acid, having salicylic acid, it helps to push the older skin out and then para magkaroon ka ng newer skin. So, it does help. So, I only use this at night. I don't use this on days, okay? Kasi, as I said, acid can make our skin sensitive sa araw, okay? At uulitin ko uli, mag-sunscreen tayo pag gumagamit tayo ng mga products na meron strong acid ingredients. So, lagay mo lang siya sa cotton and then ilagay mo siyang ganun sa mukha mo, maghintay ka ng mga 5 minutes and then you move on to your moisturizing cream. For moisturizing cream, use a good moisturizer, of course, with niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, just to at least soothe the skin. But right now, guys, wala akong maipakitang moisturizing cream as of now kasi may bago akong biniling moisturizing cream, but I will do a review on that later on. Okay, guys? So, titingnan ko muna sa balat ko and then sasabihin ko sa inyo kung maganda nga ba siya, should I recommend that product. Okay, guys? Anyways, yung mga products na pinakita ko, I will put their names dito sa my description box, okay? And also, guys, I'm not sponsored by all these products, okay? I wish na sponsored ako. The next product is, hindi naman siya talagang essential, but I can also recommend kung merong, alam mo, may available sa inyo. This is the Cica Hyalon. This is a clay mask. I really like this. I started using this last year. With clay mask, guys, especially with a Centella asiatica ingredient, nakakatulong siya na mag-absorb ng oil, okay? So, again, pag medyo regulated yung oil natin, hindi masyado masyadong madami, it helps to reduce and minimize pore size, okay? So, again, hindi siya cure, hindi siya permanent, temporary lang siya. Kung summertime, especially just sa Philippines na medyo malagkit, clay mask does help so much, okay? I recommend you using this. Siguro mga once a week, okay na yon, okay? But make sure to use a gentle clay mask. Huwag naman yung masyado talagang drying sa skin, okay? This one is not drying. Pakita sa inyo itsura niya. So, ganyan. Very herbal ang kanyang smell. And of course, it's the Centella asiatica. Tapos, pagkatapos mo mag-shower, bago ka mag-toner, ilagay mo to, buong mukha. And then, stay mo siya sa skin mo for mga 10-15 minutes, okay? And then, you wash it off. I prefer yung clay mask kaysa dun sa mga tumitigas siya, tapos ipipil mo. Kasi, those ones can potentially harm your skin. It can also irritate your skin, kagaya ng nose strips. So, ako, dati gumawa ako ng video about Kose peel-off mask. Hindi ko na siya ginagamit ngayon, guys. Kasi of course, as I learn so much about skincare, it's not good to be causing irritations on your skin, and one of them is using yung mga peel. I don't do that anymore. So I try to be very smart with my skin and use a very gentle approach sa skin. So guys, I will put also this one sa description box. I don't know kung meron nito sa Yes Style. If you guys are interested, you guys can go and check it out. By the way guys, affiliated din ako sa Yes Style. So ilalagay ko yung aking rewards code sa baba. Kung meron kayo nakita, gamitin nyo yung rewards code ko, and I think you can get like 10% off from the products that you purchase, okay? Guys, these are some of the products na, oh my gosh, wait, may nakalimutan pa ako guys. Wait. One thing before I end this video is salicylic acid serum. Salicylic acid serum, guys, does help also to, alam mo yun, exfoliate the skin, to prevent blackheads and whiteheads. And this is the salicylic acid that I am currently using right now. So this one is by in.gredients. I think Mask Bar yung mismong company niya. So parehas sila guys. So this one is very gentle. Meron siyang niacinamide and Centella asiatica. I love it kasi hindi siya matapang sa balat, and I do use it sometimes twice a day. Okay? Pero mas ginagamit ko siya sa gabi, especially kung galing ako ng trabaho na alam mo yung pagod yung balat ko, dull or things like that. Or kung halimbawa may acne, ako nilalagay ko to kasi hindi nga siya matapang. I really like this. I think this is a Korean brand, but I don't think this is known in Korea. This is very popular dito sa Canada. Okay, lalagay ko rin yung name niya dun sa description. This is my third bottle, okay? I really like this. Wala siyang amoy. Also, the glycolic acid does not have smell, okay? Guys, I really like it. Kasi nakakasmooth talaga siya ng balat. Kung sensitive yung skin mo sa salicylic acid, medyo stop mo muna siya, okay? Then come back to it siguro mga after few weeks just to see if it's really this one that's causing you to have that irritation. But so far, it is very gentle. It's good for sensitive skin since this is fragrance free. So guys, these are the product that I do recommend kung gusto nyo na mag-minimize yung inyong pore size sa ilong, sa buong mukha, or whatever, okay? Again guys, thank you so much for tuning in, and if you like this video, of course, give it a thumbs up. Turn on that notification bell for more updated videos such as this one. And guys, kung may questions kayo or suggestions, okay, don't hesitate to leave it in the comment section down below. Okay guys, so please check Watsons kung meron sila nito. I don't know, siguro Shopee, Lazada, Neutrogena alam ko meron. However, the other products, I'm not so sure guys. I'm so sorry, but this one I think meron sa Watson at saka Neutrogena. However, ito I don't think meron sa Philippines, but you can check Shopee and Lazada, okay? But for sure meron ang Cerave dyan sa Philippines, kasi nung umuwi ako may nakita akong Cerave dyan sa may SM department, and the price is about 1,000 something. Pero worth it naman kung may extra budget din kayo, worth it naman talaga siya. But guys, remember, it doesn't have to be these products. There's a lot of affordable products dyan sa Philippines na meron ding salicylic acids, okay? Alam mo naman, hindi magpapahuli ang Philippines for having a good and affordable products. Anyways guys, again, thank you so much, and as always, never self-diagnose, okay? Kung may problema kayo sa balat, sa buhok, huwag kayo mag-self-diagnose, and always seek medical help for proper treatments and diagnosis, okay guys? Follow me on my Instagram, Facebook page, and TikTok, as I'm also active on those platforms. Anyways guys, magkita-kita ulit tayo on my next video. Bye-bye!